Forward. Last call. All set now, ready to race. Race number 6. Anytime now, race number 6. And the race is on. Phantom Cookie, Wow Jazz, Intelligent Eyes, Sari, My Name John, Connor, Top Notcher is the early trailer. Back to the front runner, the favorite Phantom Cookie by about 2 lengths, followed by Wow Jazz in second. Sari, moving up by the rails, My Name John, Intelligent Eyes, and Connor, Top Notcher is still running at the tail of the field as they race the last 650. The favorite Phantom Cookie, this time by about 3 lengths. Wow Jazzy, Sari, My Name John, Intelligent Eyes, Connor, Top Notcher as they race the ball corner. Phantom Cookie in full throttle, this time by about 4 lengths. My Name John, Wow Jazzy, Sari, Connor, Top Notcher, and nearing the finish line. Phantom Cookie coming home with a scintillating run and finish the game. Second, Connor, Top Notcher, Wow Jazzy, Sari, My Name John, Intelligent Eyes, completing the cast of this race.